2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, center armrest, clock, fog lights, compass, trip computer, tachometer, day and night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, steering wheel controls, tinted glass, black door handles. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.